In the lively town of Sunnyville, a group of friends, Ava, Leo, and Maya, were always up for fun adventures. They rode bikes, explored parks, and played games, but one thing they never wanted to do was cook. One bright Saturday morning, their neighbor, Mrs. Thompson, waved from her colorful kitchen window. "Good morning, kids. Are you ready for an adventure?" she called. Ava frowned. "Adventure? You mean like climbing trees?" Mrs. Thompson chuckled. "Better. Today we'll go on a magical cooking adventure and learn life skills along the way." The kids hesitated, but curiosity got the better of them. Soon they were putting on aprons, rolling up sleeves, and stepping into the warm, spice-filled kitchen. Mrs. Thompson handed them a tray of ingredients. "Today we'll bake cookies," she said, "but there's a catch. Each of you has a job, and only by working together will the cookies turn out right." Ava grabbed the mixing bowl. Leo measured sugar and flour. Maya carefully shaped the cookie dough. At first, they argued over who should do what. Flour flew in the air, and dough stuck to their hands. Mrs. Thompson smiled gently. "Cooking teaches patience, listening, and teamwork, just like life. You can't do everything alone, and helping each other makes things easier and more fun." By the time the cookies were in the oven, the three friends were laughing, realizing teamwork really did make the task smoother and tastier. Next, Mrs. Thompson introduced the Rainbow Salad Challenge. "You have to make a healthy, colorful salad using whatever ingredients you can find in the kitchen," she explained. Leo scratched his head. "I don't know what to do. This is tricky." Ava smiled. "Let's just be creative. Mix what looks fun and yummy." Maya chopped bright red tomatoes, yellow peppers, and green cucumbers. Leo arranged them in a colorful pattern on the plate. Ava sprinkled sunflower seeds and cheese on top. When they tasted the salad, the flavors blended perfectly. "See," Mrs. Thompson said, "sometimes trying new ideas and solving small problems can create something amazing." The friends nodded. They realized that creativity and problem-solving weren't just for school. They were useful every day, even in the kitchen. Finally, Mrs. Thompson taught them to cook scrambled eggs safely. "You must pay attention and follow steps carefully," she said. "Cooking is about responsibility. Mistakes can happen, but learning from them builds confidence." The kids cracked eggs, whisked them, and cooked them slowly on the stove. The first batch was messy, with some eggs sticking to the pan, but they didn't give up. With each attempt, they improved. Soon they were serving themselves a delicious breakfast, proud of what they had made. "See," Mrs. Thompson said, "cooking teaches responsibility, focus, and confidence. When you try new things, even if it's hard, you discover what you can do." Just as they were about to enjoy their meal, Maya had an idea. "Why don't we share some of our cookies with our neighbors?" she suggested. Ava and Leo agreed. They filled a basket with warm cookies and went door to door, handing them out with smiles. The neighbors cheered. "Thank you, kids. These are wonderful." "Sharing what we make," Mrs. Thompson said, "teaches kindness and gratitude. It also makes your efforts even more meaningful." By the end of the day, Ava, Leo, and Maya had learned more than cooking recipes. They had discovered teamwork makes tasks easier and more fun. Creativity and problem-solving can turn challenges into opportunities. Responsibility and confidence grow when you try and learn from mistakes. Sharing and kindness make the world brighter. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.